In today's video, I will walk you through how to reset Shopify theme code. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and you're on your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, head to the search bar located at the top of the page and type in Rewind Backups. Once the search results appear, click on Rewind Backups to continue. After opening Rewind Backups, you'll be taken to the app dashboard. If you already have the app installed, you can move straight to the next step. From the Rewind homepage, look for the option called View All Items and click on it. You will now see a list of items associated with your Shopify store. Find the theme that you want to reset and select it. Click on the theme you want to work with to open its details. Once you're inside the theme page, look for the option labeled View Versions and click on it. This will take you to the page where different saved versions of your theme are available. On the Versions page, find and select Source Code. This section allows you to access previous versions of your theme code. After opening the source code section, click on Select Version. A list of available theme versions will now appear. Browse through the available versions and locate the version you want to restore. When you've found the correct version, click on it to select it. After selecting the version, look for the option called Restore to this version. Click on it to begin the restoration process. Shopify will then display a confirmation prompt before making any changes. Carefully review the selected version, and if you're ready to continue, click OK to confirm the restoration. The system will then start restoring your theme code to the version you selected. Once the process is complete, your theme will be reset to that previous version. You can then return to your Shopify store and review the theme to make sure everything has been restored correctly. If needed, you can go back to the versions page at any time and repeat the same process to restore a different version. Simply open Rewind Backups again, select your theme, choose View Versions, open source code, select another version, and restore it. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly reset your Shopify theme code and restore a previous version whenever needed. Your selected theme version should now be active and ready to use.